Hello guys, so here we cook today the meatball soup and look forward to see the cooking process. Okay guys, so this is a preparation to prepare meatballs, ground turkey, diced onion and one egg. And also we will season this with salt, pepper and some other fine herbs. And here we have grated carrot and some onion, but we'll add more onion for flavor base. About the potato, how much you should put? So it could be 2 or maybe 3 big potatoes. In my cases it's 10 small potatoes. And maybe it could be 7 medium-sized potatoes. But the idea you should have a plate of diced potatoes. We are cooking soup with meatballs. So here we have water with some dill and parsley and some other roots. Here I have 7 diced potatoes. Here I'm preparing zajarka, let's call it. So 1 chopped onion and 2 grated carrots with salt and pepper. If you go after there, here we're preparing meatballs. Now I will put diced potato and cook it for about 7 minutes. And next I will put meatballs to cook in there as well. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes we're adding meatballs. They're a bit soft, so we need to carefully pick them up with a spoon and drop them. You can see they're changing color right away. And for meatballs you can use beef as well. Maybe chicken gonna work the same. Okay guys, so with meatballs there, once they got white or whitish, we're adding this zajarka there and cooking about 10 minutes until the potato will be cooked. So to just about the number 8. Okay guys, when you will check the seasoning level of this soup, please use wooden spoon. It's really useful and it prevents the burning of your tongue. Next I will add a spoon of lemon juice to add a sour hint to my soup. Once the potato is ready, you can try it with a fork. It should split easily and you can taste it as well. We added some parsley and dill, and now we're adding like 2-3 cloves of garlic. And next you leave it under the cover for about 30 minutes.